Welcome back to today's table topic practice video series, and as the part of exercise I will need to grab a random table topic for today. Let me get it. Okay, the okay the table topic for today is summer is the best and worst of times. Summer is the best and worst of times. Okay, so I have a mixed opinion about the summer and the winter. As recently I have moved from the north in India, which is mostly is uh, extreme summer, extreme winter, to the part of India in Maharashtra, Mumbai, where there is no extreme winter. So there are few differences that I started to like about Mumbai. In north, we get extreme summer, so it becomes very hard. But as a professional, I mostly live in the company premises and mostly in office hours, so we get enough cooling. We don't get to step out, so I don't get to experience the extreme summer outside. While there are few differences that I liked about is in Mumbai, the weather is pleasant and the raining and the monsoon season is bit long, and that is there is around like 1 month that is extreme uh, rain happens. But apart from that, the weather is nice because it's near to the sea, and mm, and the humidity is there, but it's not that uh, uh, extreme. What I feel is because if you step if you live in the office premise and if you have air conditioner at home or the office, then you don't get to experience that. But overall it's fine. I realize that extreme summer is really bad sometimes. uh, just now the summer has started to kick in Mumbai weather, and it is becoming a little bit difficult. But overall, if I talk about weather and atmosphere, I like it here. So that's what I want to say. Thank you. Over to you.